The road to the racetrack is more than a journey, it's a calling. And with a 2020 TVS Apache RR310 with Smart Connect and ride modes, you'll always be prepared to answer it. The urban mode allows you to navigate the streets with ease, while the Smart Connect TFT displays essential information for your commute, like directions and call notifications. Tame the highway with the Sport mode. The Smart Connect TFT displays navigation and relevant touring information so that you're always on track. When you're on the road, even the skies don't stand a chance against you and your machine. The rain mode allows you to safely power through the storm. The RR310 is equipped with Michelin Road 5 tires with patented treads. These expel maximum water for maximum grip. There's nothing holding you back once you've conquered the road to the racetrack. The track mode unleashes the full power of the machine for what it's meant to do: race beyond limits. In track mode, the TFT display clears up to only show relevant race telemetry, so that your only focus is on the finish line. Overcome any condition. Outperform the competition. Presenting the all-new 2020 TVS Apache RR310 with Smart Connect and ride modes. Crafted to overcome. Crafted to outperform. Racing DNA unleashed.